Hello everyone, I'm Mary and you're welcome to the Tech Hub GH. On today's session, we are going to show you some quick and efficient ways to get your posts viral on TikTok. But before that, kindly hit the subscribe button, like and help others like you find this video. Well, the TikTok algorithm isn't difficult to crack down. The fun part is TikTok continues to promote your content to several groups of people even when you have no followers, which means no matter your content, you can get viral. Use these few trusted methods to get viral on TikTok. The first thing I'll ask you to do is to hop on trending challenges, songs or duets. This is by far the easiest way to get noticed on TikTok. This method works well for small accounts who want to get noticed. The ad challenge alone recorded 46.4 million views on TikTok.
Hey, what do you call a Mexican that lost his car?
I don't know.
Carlos.
The Blinding Light sound by The Weeknd was also used 1.7 million times. These numbers are good enough to get you motivated to hop onto challenges on TikTok, right? Secondly, create and share relatable and relevant stories. This is by far the most relevant information guide on TikTok. Record yourself on how stressful your day has been in a funny way. Show people how they can get the best flight deals. This will create a bond between you and all who can relate to the story. Kabani Lame, with over 100 million followers and 1 billion likes on TikTok, doesn't say a word but shares videos of himself choosing the easy way to complete a task. This is a relatable video because everyone wants the easy way out. Post often on TikTok. In order to get noticed on TikTok, you have to post often and consistently. If you can, follow the daily challenges and post as many challenges as you can. This can help you go viral with a particular challenge. Are you on TikTok? Are you using it for your business or for your personal branding? Share with us in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share our video to help others like you find this video. Thank you.